Hey everybody, welcome back to NSB. So we're ready to start putting this little tractor back together. So on this episode, we're going to start putting some of these parts that are hanging here back, assembling them back like they need to be. So let's get with it. So I got my table set up, put a cloth on it so we're not scratching up all these new parts. Should be nice and clean, everything's painted. I'm going to start with the hydraulic control, the throttle, the console, and we're going to work right on back to start putting stuff on the tractor. Get all this, don't forget I got to do the floor pan too, so let's get rolling. So as you can see, I got all my sub-assemblies put together. Like, you know, I got the main control panel. I am missing the amp gauge, but I can get that. That's no big deal. Got my foot pedal assembly all back together. New springs, everything. Only thing all I got to do is get it back on the tractor and hit my grease fittings. I got my new seat pan with the springs back on it. So everything's pretty much ready to just bolt onto the tractor. We'll get these three pieces and we got to get the hydraulic unit. Yeah, all that'll go on the frame and we'll get this thing knocked out. So now that I've gotten all the sub-assemblies put together, that's going to be all in this video. We'll get it all bolted on with the fenders and everything on the next one. So until next time.